Yeah, we have one more.
Come over here. Can you kick it? There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's what I tried to do, but they did. What we're trying to do is what was it you said about a bolt that's stuck in there?
How are we gonna get this one out? I mean that one.
Yep, that's a really good question.
Okay.
Yep. So Alpine brought up a very good question. There's one bolt that's stuck in there. And because it's stuck in there, now we have to take all 4 of these bolts apart and take apart the whole assembly just to get that one bolt out so we can remove the axle. Is that a good idea? Pull out as hard as you can. Perfect. Here goes the axle. Look at me. Good job. You rock. I'm going to do the rest from here, okay? Clean because I just did this service recently. I know that it's all pretty clean. So I'm going to bring this down here. And Alpine's going to wrap it with tape. Good job. I'm going to cover it all the way down to the actual bearing, which is here. If we go out and around this area, the actual bearing, can you do that? Now we know it's clean, and then we'll cover this with the baggie as well. Okay? Okay, so the only thing I didn't show is picking these copper washers off. The only thing I didn't show is picking these copper washers off. It's just a little pick tool. And there, all it's going to be is basically sticking the knife inside of separating the pumpkin from the axle housing. And then I'm going to lift it out and put it face down with gears down inside this bucket, which is definitely it's like a 3-gallon bucket. It's perfect size to fit that. And then I take it to Dan, the 9-inch man, and I'm taking it to somebody else to check my work because I rebuilt this before with the original 350 gears, replaced all the seals, and it never leaked. I replaced the bearings was the #1 thing. And I set the backlash and the pinion depth, and I think I did well. There's a lot of metallic looking, looks like metallic flake paint. So I don't know if that's normal wear or not, but I'm taking it to a professional to judge my rebuild, basically. And he's gonna reassemble it with 488 gears so I can utilize this bad boy somewhere over there for 70W transmission. And that's about it. So we'll reconvene when I get it back. Hi, Pine. What's going on?
Well, he's gonna take that off.
The pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically, all that's left, we cut it loose.
Right there.
I used a little pry bar, a knife and then a pry bar. And then, so basically, without trying to make a mess, I'm gonna, okay, take 2. I think I need my pry bar again. Stop it. Huh? Bye. See you in a couple seconds. Okay, so I'm going to use a Jimmy bar to just basically bring it towards me. It's kind of sketchy because it's a little heavy, but it's more awkward than heavy. So when you're by yourself and a child, you just do what you can. I think it's ready to come out. There we go. Yeah. Oh, that's not what I tried to do, but that's what I did. What we're trying to do is put it in the bucket to help drain off all the rest of the. See that right there?
Yeah, that's a huge mess.
Drain off the Mississippi mud. That's the old gasket. That's the silicone I added on both sides.
Daddy, did there used to be like all of that stuff inside of there?
Yeah, all that stuff used to be inside of here.
Full?
Yep, complete. Well, half full. You can see kind of from here up, like this thing sat in the junkyard for 12 years. So the level of oil was right around here. And then from there, moisture got trapped in there and actually started rusting the inside of the case a little bit. You see that?
Yeah.
So, but that's the level where the oil was. What you doing there, mister?
I'm cleaning the brown stuff off your welds.
Nice, thank you.
Can I do it?
What you doing there, Pine?
Cleaning your welds.
Awesome, thank you. Doing a great job, too.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Pine?
Taking off the tape of the bolts.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.